Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to draw the Lewis structure of the methyl anion CH₃-. We'll determine the total number of valence electrons, draw the correct structure, and verify that it satisfies the octet rule. Let's start by counting the number of valence electrons. We have carbon, which gives us 4 valence electrons. The 3 hydrogen atoms also contribute to 3 electrons. The negative charge gives us another electron. In total, we have 8 valence electrons. Now, let us draw the Lewis structure of CH₃-. We'll start by placing a carbon atom in the center and connect 3 hydrogen atoms by a single bond. Each single bond consists of 2 valence electrons, which means by far we have used 6 valence electrons only. Place the remaining 2 valence electrons beside the carbon. Now, let us verify the structure. Carbon has 3 single bonds and 1 lone pair, giving it a complete octet of 8 electrons. Each hydrogen has 2 electrons, satisfying its duet rule. Since carbon has 1 extra electron, the overall charge of the ion is -1. And there we have it, the final Lewis structure of CH₃-. Carbon is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms and has 1 lone pair. This satisfies the octet rule of the carbon, and hydrogen has 2 electrons for itself, which satisfies its duet rule. For more such videos, consider hitting the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.